I was working on one more project secretly because it was a special project for the online retreat called Making Zen, organized by Kate Ward from the Truro from Nova Scotia. And I made a special project for this online retreat, and this is this Easter egg, and this is how it looks like. It's double-sided, and this project is very special for me because I wanted to make something special, something related to the Ukrainian traditions, to the you know, because I have a lot of stories and traditions to tell about painting on the eggs, the technique that is called Pysanka. It's when you paint on the egg using wax and dip it in different colors, stage after stage. And that's why I decided to create this special project for the Making Zen online retreat. And this pattern that I made, it's free. You will be able to download it when this retreat will start. You can sign up by the link in the video description below, and this is a free online event. It will go during the 5 days from Monday to Friday, I guess. And you will be able to see different workshops from different textile artists, like sashiko artists, textile dyeing, like to dye the fabric, different kind of styles that different artists do. There will be about 30 different artists participating in this event, and I'm participating in this event for the 3rd year in a row, and I think it's gonna be very interesting and relaxing for you to learn a lot of different techniques you couldn't even imagine, because I'm also learning there, because it reminds me this retreat. It reminds me about what I'm doing this embroidery for. It's for relaxing, it's for the process, it's for enjoyment, it's really mindful. And when you do stitching, you forget about everything. Yeah, like you clean your mind, you don't think about bad thoughts, and it's better to this is the best way to relax and reduce the stress and the anxiety. So yeah, that's why it's healing, and that's why I actually started doing it. So it reminds me about that, and it's a really nice it's really retreat. So I highly recommend this. If you want to join, you're welcome. I will leave the link in the video description. This is a project what I was working on recently, and I just recently finished it, already submitted all the goodies that I prepared, and there will be a video tutorial, and I will be telling you about Ukrainian traditions during I'm stitching, and I will show you how I assembled this egg together, the technique, and you will see everything during the retreat.